Hello, my name's Lizzie from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Discovery 3.0 D300 Metropolitan Edition. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Carpathian grey. To start off with, then you have your matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 22-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss dark grey finish, really complementing the Carpathian grey exterior colour. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Additionally, this vehicle also has a 7-seat configuration, allowing you to carry up to 2 extra passengers. The extra seats are controlled electronically, making it that bit more convenient. As well as this, you also have a tow bar, which allows you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan for those weekend getaways. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving to the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle features a fixed rear sunroof and a sliding front one, brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 46,775 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. You also have a head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you are travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need, including a navigation system which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Perhaps if you can't, you also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. You of course also have your 4x4 information, weight sensing, and of course your terrain response drive modes. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, ensuring that you always stay safe and comfortable no matter what. You are also able to control the tow bar from the comfort within the cabin, whether this is deploying it or stowing it away. On the 360 view camera, you also have a off-road feature, ideal for those off-road days, and of course you also have your standard 360 view, allowing you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. The front seats in this car are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot sunny days as well as those colder winter ones, and paired with this is a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature. This has been a presentation on the Land Rover Discovery 3.0 D300 Metropolitan Edition that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.